occasionally you may want to hide your formulas. So here we've got a spreadsheet, there's inputs, there's some formulas here. We decide to protect it. When I say OK, we can click on the inputs and make a change. If we click on the formulas, we can't make a change, but I can still see what the formula is. So perhaps we want to hide that. So there's a couple of ways of doing it. So the first way is when I click Protect Sheets, I'm going to switch off that the person can select the lock cell. So when I click that off and say OK, you'll notice that now I can only click on the input cells. I cannot click here. This is okay. It's not a great protection, as there are ways around it. I'm just going to unprotect the sheet again. A better way is I want these formulas to be hidden. So I'm actually going to highlight this whole area. I'm going to go to Format Cell. So I'm pushing Control 1. And in that same place where we told the cells to be locked, or in this case we left them as locked, and over here we made these unlocked, there's an option here called Hidden. And when I click Hidden, what I'm telling Excel is that these cells over here that I've highlighted, when we protect the sheet, when we click that button, any formula in here must be hidden. So let's see how it works. I'm going to say OK. Now remember, at this point you've still done nothing. Notice we can still see everything because we have to put on Protect Sheets. I'm going to say Protect Sheets. Will actually allow the person to click on the lock cell. When I click OK, notice I can click in here and I can change the number. When I click here, I can't change the number, but also notice that I can't see the formula. So this is a good way to hide the formulas if you don't want someone to see what is actually happening in the underlying formula.